The boy and his best buds. Sam is a big lad. He is 6 and 1. Sam has a red cap. He sits on a big mat. Sam is not sad. He has a grin. A fat cat sits on the mat. The cat is Pat. Pat is a tan cat. She likes to nap in the sun. Sam gives Pat a pat on the back. Pat has a red dish. The dish is on a rug. Sam puts ham in the dish. Pat can eat the ham. She is a glad cat. Now comes Ben. Ben is a big dog. Ben is black and tan. He has a wet nose. Ben can run and hop. He is a fun dog. Ben has a blue bed. The bed is in a pen. Ben sits in the pen. He has a red ball. Ben hits the ball with his paw. Sam gets a big stick. He will toss the stick. Ben will run to get it. The dog is fast. Ben is a top dog. Pat the cat looks at Ben. She sits on a log. The log is by a bog. Pat will not run. She just sits and looks. It is hot in the sun. Sam has a cup. The cup has a lid. Sam sips from the cup. It is a big gulp. The pets are hot too. Sam gets a tub. He fills the tub with water. It is a big job. The water is cool. Ben jumps in the tub. Splash! Ben is wet. He is a wet dog. Sam laughs at the dog. Pat stays on the rug. Pat does not like the tub. She is a dry cat. She sits in a box. The box is big and red. Pat is snug in the box. Sam has a bag of bits. The bits are for Ben. Ben begs for a bit. Sam sets a bit on a bin. Ben gets the bit. Now it is time to eat. Sam has a bun. The bun has jam on it. It is a yum bun. Sam sits on a bit of a net. The sun sets in the sky. It is not hot now. The air is dim. Sam feels a bit tired. He will rest his legs. Ben lies on the mat. Pat lies on the bed. The pets are calm. It is a quiet time. The den is soft and warm. Sam hugs the cat. He hugs the dog. They are his best buds. They love the boy. Sam is a lucky kid. Mom calls for Sam. It is time for bed. Sam gets his rug. He is a snug bug. He will nap until the sun. The cat purrs in the dark. The dog ticks his tail. They sit by the bed. They watch the boy nap. It is a good night. Sam dreams of the sun. He dreams of the tub. He dreams of the ball. The pets are in his dreams. Life is fun. The end of the day is here. The boy, the cat, and the dog are still. They are a happy mix. Good job, Sam. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Kids love nature.